In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Civil 3D version. Knowing exactly which version of Civil 3D you're running is essential for compatibility with project files, add-ins, and team workflows. It helps when you're troubleshooting, matching standards with consultants, or confirming that your software meets a client's requirements. The process is quick, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know precisely where to find your version build number and license type. Start by opening your Autodesk software. You can launch Civil 3D directly or open AutoCAD if that's what you see on your machine. Civil 3D is built on the AutoCAD platform, so this works the same way. If you have multiple releases installed, just open the one you use for your projects. Once the program finishes loading and you're at a drawing screen, you're ready for the next step. You don't need to open a specific file. A blank drawing is perfectly fine. Next, look toward the bottom of your screen for the command line, which is the small input area where you can type commands. Click into that field so it's active. Now type the word about, just the letters A-B-O-U-T, and press enter on your keyboard. You don't have to navigate any menus for this. Typing the command is the fastest and most reliable way to get the information you need. When you press enter, an about window will open. This panel shows the exact product name, such as Autodesk Civil 3D, followed by the year or release, along with the build number, update or patch information, and your license type. The version and build number are especially useful when you're checking add-in compatibility or comparing with a colleague's setup. The license information helps you confirm whether you're on a subscription or a different license model, which can matter for managing seats and updates. If you're working with a support team or submitting a ticket, they will often ask for these details first. It's a good idea to take a quick note or screenshot so you have it handy for future reference. After you've reviewed the information, you can close the About window to return to your drawing. That's all there is to it. Opening the software, typing About, and reviewing the version details gives you the definitive answer without hunting through menus. If this helps you confirm your setup, consider saving those details with your project documentation so everyone on your team stays aligned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.